In the Samba sector of Jammu and Kashmir celebrated Diwali early, bringing festive joy to the front lines. The celebration includes lighting of diyas, distribution of sweets and cultural performances, creating a warm and spirited atmosphere despite the challenging conditions. Officers and Jawans came together to mark the occasion, showcasing unity and morale. Local officials including Deputy Commissioner Abhishek Sharma joined the festivities to honor the dedication of the BSF. The early celebration allowed troops to experience the festival while continuing their vigilant service at the border, reflecting the nation's gratitude and support for its defenders.